Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Toyota CHR. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, heated seats, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.